Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharingitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a fun twofold. 1, 2. Using the Thoughtful Wishes and Thoughtful Wishes dies and the Thoughtful Journey DSPs. They're beautiful. Watercolor, a whole selection of watercolor. Art on one side, and then lovely water washes. I guess it's called watercolor washes on the other. So the perfect DSP for this kind of card. Let's get started. Alright, you're going to start with the card base 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. The first layer is 4 1/4 and 5 1/2. Layer 1 is 5 1/4 by 4. Layer 2 is 5 and 3 3/4. You need a left flap 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, scoring at the 1/2 inch on this side. Top flap 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, scoring a 1/2 inch on this side. Then a piece and one single 6x6 DSP, and this is the template for it. You want to cut it in half and cut at 2 1/2 or 3 1/2. These are the same cuts, if that makes sense. So it doesn't have to be this way. Like for example, this one I actually cut 2 1/2 just once, just because of the design on the DSP. So we'll get started on this part. Let me get the measurements out of the way. I'll fold these over and use the bone folder along the score line. So this is the left one and this is the top one, if that makes sense. And then we'll go ahead and adhere the second layer on here using my Stampin' Seal Plus. Just the corners. That's just my way of doing my adhesive. There. And then this piece is going to go on top. So I'm going to set this aside, because you want it to go behind the first layer and then on top of here. Do you see that? So it just fits perfectly there. So I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive just on the flap here, and then same for here for the left side. Line it up on the edge. Line this one up on the edge. And then adhere it here. So we'll have a little frame. This one I'm going to put a little bit more just to hold it down. So it goes like this. So it has a lovely misty moonlight frame. Then you're going to decide what to go on top and what to go on the back. So I think I like this one here and this one here. And maybe we should flop it. What do you think? Maybe this one. And then on the inside, I'm going to have this one and this one. I think I like that. So we'll put some there. That's the inside. This will be the inside left. And before I close this, I'm going to do a little stamping right here. So as part of the Thoughtful Wishes, we'll stamp this. That's a nice touch. And then I'll flip that here. Do the DSP here. And the front one here. I love the look of this, and I love the fold of it. And then I used the dies, and I cut out this piece right here. So all you have to do is remember to only adhere it to this part. So I'm going to put my thumb right here. It's kind of telling me where to stop with the glue. Get my glue on there. Oops. I forgot where it was, that little mark right there. So, whoops, off camera. Running a little low. Oops, now globbing. It's okay, it happens, right? Usually most of it on the edges, just so nothing pops up and gets caught on things. That's my concern. So we're about right there. And I see some parts that aren't quite popped out. I have this lovely pin, sewing pin, to poke those out. That's a lot better. And that is it. You can add a sentiment if you'd like. I think I need to put a little bit more on these tips. There we go. Let me flip it over. And there you go. This is your card. And a flip, and a flip, and plenty of room to write your sentiment. Here's the first one I already showed you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and comment and share with any of your friends who would also enjoy these crafting videos. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe and you'll get to see it every time I add a new video. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.